Children, welcome to English Literature class at BLS International School, Hathras. Children, let me remind you, before summer break, we have already completed 3 chapters of English Literature. Chapter 1, The Boy and the Robbers. Chapter 2, A Beautiful Day. Chapter 3, King Shivi and the Two Birds. So, now we will continue with chapter 4, The Free Man. Children, it is a poem by Robert Burns. By the title, you might have guessed that what this poem is all about. किसके बारे में ये poem है? With the title we can understand. हमें title से ही समझ आ रहा है. Like first word if we say man means ये किसी man के बारे में poem है, right? If we see next word, the free man. Free means no foundations, no freedom, something related to free. So the free man. Children, let's move ahead. Let's continue the chapter. But before going ahead, let me ask you a question. How do you want to live your life? Happily or keep complaining? आपको अपनी लाइफ कैसे जीना पसंद है? खुशी खुशी या फिर हमेशा कंप्लेन करते रहना, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, उसने मुझे ये नहीं दिया. तो हाउ डू यू वांट टू लिव योर लाइफ? आई एम श्योर चिल्ड्रन, वी ऑल वांट्स टू लिव आवर लाइफ हैप्पीली एंड फ्रीली. हम सभी अपनी लाइफ कैसे जीना चाहते हैं? हैप्पीली एंड फ्रीली. सब चाहते हैं कि हम खुश होकर और फ्रीली अपनी लाइफ जिए. सो द पोएट हैज़ ऑल्सो told something about the free man, that how this free man lives his life. So I'm going to start this poem. I have a penny to spend, there thanks to nobody. What the free man is saying here, I have a penny. Children, penny means it is a small British coin. ये क्या होता है? एक small British coin होता है, money. जैसे हमारे यहाँ भी coins होते हैं ना, ऐसे ही British coin है. What the free man is saying, I have a penny to spend. मेरे पास खर्च करने के लिए कितना है? A penny. There thanks to nobody. और उसके लिए वो किसी के लिए भी thankful नहीं है. He saying there thanks to nobody because it is his. ये किसकी coin है? Free man का. Next, I have nothing to lend. Lend means to give temporarily. एक कुछ समय के लिए किसी को दे देना. तो आई हैव नथिंग टू लैंड. आई विल बोरो फ्रॉम नो बडी. ना तो मेरे पास किसी को देने के लिए है, नाइदर आई विल बोरो फ्रॉम नो बडी एनी बडी. मतलब ना तो मैं किसी को कुछ दूंगा और ना ही मैं किसी से कुछ लूँगा. ना तो मेरे पास देने के लिए किसी को कुछ है और ना ही मैं किसी से लूँगा. बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग अ पेनी टू स्पेंड. नेक्स्ट स्टेंजर चिल्ड्रन, आई एम नो बडी इज लॉर्ड. आई विल बी स्लेव टू नोबडी. ना तो मैं किसी का लॉर्ड हूँ, लॉर्ड मीन्स मास्टर. आई विल बी स्लेव टू नोबडी. और ना ही मैं किसी का स्लेव हूँगा. स्लेव मीन्स अ पर्सन हु इज़ ओन बाय समवन. जब किसी को कोई पर्सन ओन कर लेता है, टू डू सम टास्क, टू डू सम वर्क. आई हैव अ गुड ब्रॉड स्वॉर्ड. What kind of sword the free man had? Big, broad. How? Broad. Broad means wide, body. Sword. Here broad means wide. Good, broad sword. I will take blows from nobody. Take blows means be hurt. मतलब hurt ना होना. Why the free man will not be hurt? Free man hurt क्यों नहीं होगा किसी से? कोई free man को hurt क्यों नहीं कर सकता? क्योंकि free man के पास क्या है? Broad sword है. Next children, next and last stanza, I will be merry and free. How I will be? How the free man will be? Merry and free. Merry and free means children, I have mentioned here word banks, happy and cheerful. कैसा होगा free man? Happy and cheerful. I will be sad for nobody. और वो किसी के लिए भी sad नहीं होगा. Sad means unhappy. Nobody cares for me. Nobody cares for me. I care for nobody. ना तो मेरे लिए कोई केयर करता है और ना ही मैं किसी के लिए केयर करता. मैसेज और कॉल. So children, the message of this poem is that we should live our life freely and happily. हमें अपनी life जो है वो freely, without any sorrows, without any worries, हमें अपनी life को जीना चाहिए. And we should be happy. और हमें कैसे रहना चाहिए? Happy रहना चाहिए. So as you already know what rhyming words are. क्या होते हैं rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which are the ending words of the lines sounds similar. Lines के ending words जिनकी sounds similar होती है, those are किसी भी poem में. Rhyming words are found in the poem only. Rhyming words are not in the prose, only in the poem. So the first rhyming word is spend and lend. I have a penny to spend, there things to nobody. I have nothing to lend. So spend and lend both are sounding similar. दोनों कैसे sound कर रहे हैं? Similar sound कर रहे हैं. Lord, sword. Next rhyming words are Lord and sword. After that, next is free and me. Now let us do the exercises. Book exercises given on page number 24. Exercise number A1. Say whether true or false. Here are the statements given. यहाँ statements दिए हुए हैं, 5 statements, and we have to tell whether the statements are true or false. दिए गए statements true हैं या false हैं. We have to tell. If the statement is true, we have to write T. अगर हमारा statement true है तो हमें T लिखना है. Given in we will write T in the bracket. If our statement is false, we have to write F in the bracket. So let us start, children. Statement 1. This poem is about nobody. So children, tell me, is this poem about nobody or about the free man? Yes, children, this poem is about free man. So this statement is false, because in this statement it is said that this poem is about nobody, but our poem is about the free man. It is itself the title of the poem. Next, statement 2. The free man has a small amount of money. Free man के पास small amount of money था. How much money he had? A penny, a small coin. So this statement is true, that the free man has a small amount of money. So this statement is true. Next, statement 3. The man has a sword. The free man has a sword. Yes, it is given that I have a broad sword. So this statement is also true. Next, statement 4. In the statement 4, it is mentioned the free man is careless and sad. Was the free man careless and sad? क्या free man careless and sad था poem में? No, he was happy and free. How was the free man in the poem? It is given in the last stanza that it was not sad, it was happy and free. So this statement is false. Next, last statement is the free man is happy. In the poem, yes, the free man is happy. This is also given in the last stanza that the free man is happy and free. So last statement is also true. Your work on time. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.